This brush sucks. It feels like a crayon. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Samantha Brand. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you aren't new and you've watched my videos before, you are awesome. Thank you. If you guys can't tell, I am so excited today. And I know I say that every time, but seriously, I'm excited today. As you can see by my title, you already know what this is, which gives away my excitement. It is a Dollar Tree makeup shopping spree. What sucks is I bought everything a week ago and I wasn't able to touch it for an entire week because I really wanted to open it up with you guys. And today is finally that day. Guys, next week's video is gonna be one to watch. I'm not just saying that, like, I'm dying to make that video. I'm excited to watch that video. I'm excited. I'm excited to watch my own video. I have so much stuff. I mean, it's an entire bag of stuff. I'm so excited to open this with you guys. I bought all my makeup from Dollar Tree. Okay, wait. There's like 3 that I bought from Dollar Family or Family Dollar, something like that. But it still cost me $1. So I paid $1 for every single item I'm about to show you. If you're in South Africa, that means I paid 12 Rand 49 cents for every single item I'm about to show you. Like, okie dokie artichoke. I have no idea which one I want to start with. So let me see. So we'll start with lashes. I bought 3 sets of lashes. 2 of them are the same, one's a bit different. So this is the first one. This is from Wet n Wild. $1. These actually don't feel too bad though. We'll see how they end up working. So I bought 2 of those. The second pair of lashes that I bought is from Colormates. The next thing I bought was these foundation sponges, and this is just from Modes. For smooth natural application. $1. I've actually never used sponges in my life for my makeup, so we'll see how this turns out. They seem pretty cool and they're nice and big. Hopefully these work really nicely. Feel squishy. Okay, the next one you're probably gonna wonder, like, why'd you buy this? Which is this beautiful, crazy fun tape set. If you don't know what I'm gonna use this for, then you better watch next week because I'm gonna use it next week. And if you do know, the next 2 things I bought was these spa treatment masks. Oh, damn. The one is a retinol mask, the other one is a collagen mask. There's 2 in each box, which is pretty cool. I don't know how they're gonna work, we'll have to see, but $1, $1. Next. The next one is this coconut oil moisturizing cream that I bought. It says it's for elbows, body, hands, knees and feet, so it doesn't say it's for face, and I'm gonna use it for my face because I didn't have a face cream, so just like hope for the best. And it's got vitamin E and it's for dry and sensitive skin, and I have dry and sensitive skin, so that's why I decided to take this one, although like everything they had there was for dry and sensitive skin. It's not thick at all. It applies quite nicely. It doesn't feel oily at all. So I don't know if any of the stuff is bad. I'll have to Google it. It does have fragrance in it, so it's not fragrance free. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm going to be doing next week. Pretty sure all of the stuff has given it away, but it's going to be awesome. I'm excited about these. These are the Wet n Wild makeup brushes. I bought 5 of them. There are 2 others, so if these are great, I'm definitely going to buy the 2 others, because I mean, for $1, if I can get a makeup brush that's amazing, yes please. First one is an angled liner brush. I don't know why I'm smelling it. Because I just smelled the moisturizer. So it feels pretty good. We'll have to see next week. The next one is the contour brush. Guys, it feels pretty good. I'm excited to use this. The next one is the small eyeshadow brush. There we go. So my camera completely cut out for me. The other brush that I opened was the large eyeshadow brush. I'm excited to see how this works. A little bit of dust came out of it, so I don't know if I should be worried about that. Hopefully not. What's really cool about these brushes is that the brand is animal cruelty free. It says cruelty free, gluten free and vegan. I love supporting animal cruelty free makeup brands. Next, let's do the compact color. Compact powder. This is from LA Colors, and it comes like this, so it's closed over here and it's open over here with a mirror on top. And I just hope and pray that this is going to match my skin. Once again, $1. So it smells right. It doesn't have a funky smell, which is pretty good. I'm glad about that. That would be weird, putting something on your face and it stinks. It has this excuse of a sponge thing that you're gonna apply the powder with. So it comes off pretty well. I don't even know if it's coming off, but if it is, it looks like my skin color. Pretty excited to try this. It's a bit flimsy, like I'm trying to close it now and it goes all skew. It might like mess, so make sure if you guys do end up buying this, that you just, I don't know, be careful. Let's do the contour kit next. LA Colors contour like little kit that they've got. This is the tan color. Oh yeah, compact powder that I bought is nude. $1, very cute. It doesn't smell funky. It feels so smooth and it comes off so nicely. How crazy is that? I'm actually pretty impressed for a Dollar Tree makeup. I'm really excited to use this next week. Let's do the blush. This is from ColourMates Blush and Brush, because I got a brush with it. It's the color this. I'm not gonna even try and pronounce that. Opens nice and easily. That's the color. Nice dark pink. That's not too bad. Actually really pretty. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. Next, LA Color again. It's a gold loose eyeshadow. The color Sunshine. So I saw one of these and it looked so messy. So scared to open this. This is the brush. There you go. It's actually not the whole thing that's full. This goes down like a little tube area. I want to see if I can show you. As you can see, so there's only a little bit at the bottom, which is fine. This brush sucks. Oh, this brush is terrible. It's rock hard. So I'm definitely not going to use this. The gold's a really pretty color. I'm excited to use the gold. I'm definitely going to use one of my brushes because this thing is terrible. Once again, I think it's just something that you need to keep upright. I see mine's a bit cracked, the lid, so I'm not sure how long this is going to last. Hopefully it looks good. The next one, since we're on glitters, is something that I bought from Wet n Wild. It's a single, it's a glitter single coloricon in a brass color. It's a tiny cute container. Looks like this. Let's see how it swatches. Oh, it feels so good, guys. Look at that. I could feel it. Oh my word. I am excited to use this. One tiny rub. Check out all that stuff that came off. I'm probably going to go buy the other colors of this. Oh my word, I'm excited to use this. Even if I'm not going to use it, like, this stuff feels amazing. It doesn't want to come off my finger. The next one is a black eyeliner from LA Colors. No sharpener needed. Ooh, fancy. And let's just see, I'll swatch it for you guys over here. That's pretty good. It feels so smooth. I was actually worried about this. I was worried that it was going to be like rock hard. I know you get a lot of eyeliners that feel so hard and then you feel like you want to melt it or something because it's going to hurt your skin when you put it on. This is very smooth and soft. It also seems, with the help of my sock, it seems like it comes off easy enough. So it's not something that you're going to struggle with. It's like from rubbing it slightly, you can hardly see it anymore. I hate struggling when I want to take my makeup off because it really hurts then. Let's do the brow pencil. This is from LA Colors. As you can see, they clearly have a lot of that over there. And it's in a color black because I feel like that's the color I needed. It comes with a little brush that you can brush your brows with. It's extremely hard and I don't know why they didn't give a sharpener with this. Luckily my mom bought something else from the Dollar Tree store which has a sharpener. I also have one. Wow, it feels like a crayon. I hardly have to put any pressure down. Guys, so far I'm seriously impressed with Dollar Tree makeup. I'm excited to use this. It's super, super soft. It doesn't hurt at all. I was actually worried this was going to be rock hard, but it's not. Finally, something different. This is a liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. The color Midnight. I bought 2 liquid liners because I wasn't sure which one was actually going to be sharper, and I'm looking for something that's really sharp. Okay, so the brush isn't that fine. It's quite, like, it doesn't have a fine point, which I'm upset about. And I guess that's why. I mean, maybe if I take more product off, I can try and get it fine. A fine line. I'm not good at the wing stuff. It definitely comes off really nicely. And I don't have the world's steadiest hands, so it's gonna be pretty interesting to see me use this. But it feels pretty good. It's a good black color. What is strange is that the bottom part of the bottle is blue, but the ink is black. So a bit weird. e.l.f. Make a plan. The next liquid liner that I bought is from LA Colors. And this one says Ultra Fine Tip. So we'll see, also in a black color. So is it going to be LA Colors or is it going to be e.l.f.? Which one's actually going to be better? It also looks like they've kind of got like a blue container at the bottom, which is very weird. No, this one looks more black. Never mind, this one looks more black. The tip is definitely finer. Also applies really nicely. Thin black lines, the thinner ones. Next, let's do all of the concealers. So this is an LA Colors Conceal Correct something in a color peach. And this one's for dark circles, you know. Those ones that come under here. I should actually keep this. I'm throwing it away like I know what I'm going to do. So this is how it looks. And it comes with a brush like that. So I must definitely not get confused and think this is lipstick. Because I'm not sure that's going to look too pretty. Let's find a spot. Ooh, it's so smooth and so orange. And I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not, because I don't use this stuff. Like, this is the first time I'm buying a concealer. We will see. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to that. Here's a purple one, because for some reason you need to put purple stuff on your face. And this is for shallowness. And it's in lavender. Oh, it's stunning with my nails. Once again, just those type of brushes. That's so pretty though for a lipstick. Do you think I could wear this as a lipstick? The next one is a yellow, and this one is for dullness. Yo, they have something for everything here. Yellow, yellow. I think I did that a bit skew. No, I didn't touch the other one. Yeah, they don't smell funky. I have really no idea what I'm going to be doing with this stuff, so we will see. It applies pretty well, I guess. I'm not sure how the stuff is supposed to apply. This brush doesn't want to go in. The next one, I have 2 more left, is a green one, and this is for redness. Okay, this one I kind of know. I think I've used this type of thing once in my life. So for any like red spots, like it would have done well for my chin, because I've got like some stuffies there and some stuffies on other places. But they look pretty good, guys. Like, the quality of this stuff, I'm super impressed with. Seriously. Like, thumbs up to Dollar Tree for the makeup that they stock there. I would never have thought. I'm excited to use this stuff, seriously I am. And the last one, and this isn't for marks or anything like this, is a highlighter. So it's in the color highlighter. I can't wait to see what this one's gonna look like, because I didn't buy a highlighter and I saw I bought this. I was like, oh, I bought a highlighter. I'm gonna show you guys first. This literally just looks white. I don't know if it's gonna have a shimmer. It has a shimmer! I don't know if you guys can see it. Look there. It 100% has a shimmer. Yes! Ooh, I'm excited to try this. My hand looks like a clown right now. Almost done, almost done. Let's go to my mascara. This one's from Wet n Wild. And it is the Very Black mascara. Clean definition. And I love the color of this. So pretty. It looks dry, but I'm not sure. And I don't know if a person can swatch it on your hand. There isn't really anything... I'm interested here. There isn't really anything coming off. As you guys can tell. Not happy. This is like very dried out. And I don't know if a person can return this to the store because it's Dollar Tree. I don't know if they take returns, but I'll definitely see it and try and maybe swap it for something else. This is not cool. The next one, let's look at my lipsticks. The first one is from Wet n Wild and it's in the color Breeze Rose. It's a cute container and a very pretty color. It's a very light shade. I thought it was going to be slightly like more pigmented. It's not that pigmented. It's got more of a shine in it. But that's fine. We will find something to do with it. Maybe it actually turns out really pretty. The next lipstick is from Wet n Wild and this is Dark Wine Vin Sombre. This looks stunning, so I really hope it is. I really hope it is, because otherwise I'm a bit stuck when it comes to lipsticks. It looks like a very pretty color. My camera just completely cut off again. I think it's just way too hot, so it just doesn't want to work with me tonight. But what I was trying to say is that I definitely think this one is slightly pink, if you guys can tell, although I mixed it with the other colors now. So I might just be able to get away with using this and then putting it on my foundation powder. So we'll see. Last but not least, and I only bought one of these like types of things, is the eyeshadow. It looks like this. It's Smoky from LA Colors, the Smoky Colors. Comes with this little brush, my bob, and those are the colors. Let's go with the blue, whatever that is. This one over here, and let's do the white. Oh, that's not bad. Yes, I'm excited to use this. These are so pretty. I can't believe how well this stuff rubs off. It feels super smooth and it's not too badly pigmented. Like I didn't rub properly now, so I think it's gonna be quite pigmented. Like I rubbed very lightly and you saw it came on my fingers, but I didn't wipe like it nicely off onto my hand. So I think this is really gonna look stunning. Yes, I'm happy. I just hope we'll see, because my main color that I want to take out of here is the black, so, and the brown and the gold. I'm really happy. And that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My hand completely looks like a clown right now, but that's okay. I'm seriously impressed with the makeup that's sold at Dollar Tree. The quality of it is like past what I was expecting. I'm really impressed, and I'm not just saying that. If you guys think I'm joking, go buy some makeup and then say thank you. If you guys have bought Dollar Tree makeup before, then comment down below and let me know what you've bought. Tell me what's the do's and don'ts, so that when I go there and I see something that's a do, I'll definitely try it out. And if it's a don't, I'll completely avoid. There was only really one product that I didn't like, which was the mascara, because it was a bit dried out. But everything else really applied nicely. It wasn't hard on my skin. It doesn't feel harsh or anything like that. And it's quite pigmented. So I'm honestly impressed. I can't wait to do next week's video. So make sure that you guys subscribe down below if you want to see what I do end up doing next week. I'm pretty sure you know by now. Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's a makeup video. Give this video a thumbs up. I don't want to close this one. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it and if you're excited to see what I end up doing with the product. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I'm trying to do this really quickly so I don't have to sit here forever. I'm getting so hot. Let me take my socks off. Sucky number one. Sucky number two. I actually wasn't sure if I was even gonna always trip over my words. Do you guys? I'm excited for every single thing I do. Every single as you can see by the title of my have you each single probably wonder I'm falling over all my words today. It says my camera. Oh, I'm quickly trying to shoot my end and I was almost done and then you meant
oh shush, you're supposed to say welcome back.
Just come quickly because my camera is gonna die.